Kamco Supply contracted to purchase and resell construction materials from the manufacturer, but never met its purchasing obligations. Could the manufacturer's efforts to keep the contractual relationship going cause it to waive its contract rights? That's the question in Kamco Supply versus On the Right Track. Kamco Supply contracted with On the Right Track, or Track, to purchase and resell drywall framing systems called Trakloc. Kamco agreed to buy a minimum quantity of Trakloc in 2005 and a substantially greater annual minimum quantity in 2006. The contract also set monthly purchase requirements for 2006 and included a clause specifying that no contractual rights could be waived except in writing. Kamco never met any of its purchase requirements. Track complained verbally to Kamco, but never sent a notice of default or a reservation of Track's rights to seek damages for past breaches or to strictly enforce future purchase requirements. In spring of 2006, Kamco asked Track about ending their contractual relationships. By that July, Track realized that Kamco wouldn't meet its annual purchase obligation. Track agreed to take back nearly $48,000 worth of Trakloc because Kamco couldn't sell it. Still, Track didn't terminate the contract or send a default notice. In November of 2006, just weeks before the contract ended, Kamco sued Track for breach of contract. Track countersued, seeking damages for Kamco's failure to meet the purchase requirements. After a bench trial, the trial court ruled for Kamco on Track's countersuit. The court concluded that Track had waived its right to enforce Kamco's purchase obligations. The court further ruled that the written waiver clause wasn't dispositive. Track appealed to the Appellate Division of the New York Supreme Court. Track argued that even if it had waived the right to enforce the monthly minimums, it hadn't waived the right to enforce the annual purchase requirement, which wasn't yet due when Track filed its countersuit.